Alrighty, so I'm going to show you how to complete your test corrections for the Classical China Unit exam. So here's our module for today. You're going to first, of course, click on the test corrections directions, and you're going to follow them closely, so I'm going to walk you through them. Number 1 says, open this form. So I simply am going to open this Google form, and it will open up into another tab. Then it's telling me to go back to Canvas, look back at module week 16, class 28. And then I'm going to click on the Classical China Unit Exam PDF. So I'm going to scroll down. There's the PDF. All right, so what I need to do to get this into another tab is I need to hit this blue writing right here, download Classical China Unit Exam. I'm going to click on it. It will download, and then I'm going to click on it to open into another tab, okay? So I just did step 2. So now my last step is to go back to that same module, and I'm going to click on my Classical China Unit Exam answer sheet. When I click on this, the copy that you submitted will show up. On the comment section to the right is where I wrote your incorrect questions, and then I put the answer on there, okay? So you need to have that open. What you're going to do is you're going to go through first on your answer sheet. Okay, say I got questions 1, 2, and 3 wrong. I'm going to go to questions 1, 2, and 3 on the PDF. I'm going to read the question, and then based on what I wrote, Miss Reeves wrote, you're going to see the correct answer. Then what you are going to do is you are just going to simply explain in a sentence or two why that answer is correct, okay? So you're going to find on this Google form the questions you got wrong, put the correct answer, and explain why it is correct, okay? Remember, you get half credit, so 1 point each for each question answered correctly. This will be extremely helpful to those of you that got many questions wrong and would like to boost your grade. So when you're finished, make sure you hit that submit form at the bottom because you cannot go back to that Google form. Let me know if you have any questions.